Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people. Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to talk about the $25 online business and promoting it using my lead gen secrets day 3. All right. So, the reason why I like the $25 online business is because it's recurring. It's 80% recurring commissions, and you get everything you need to create your online business here. You don't even need to focus on it if you really don't want to, but you get the funnel billing, so you can promote other things as well if you want to. That's the cool thing about this product. It's very useful, and it's 80% recurring, and they teach you how to do everything in it. All right, so anyway, as we can see, let's refresh here just to make sure I show you my real results, because make sure people refresh when they show real results. All right, so I'm really getting, I'm really making this money here. I really don't make $852 so far. I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, right? I want to see how many clicks I got yesterday. I got 39 clicks, 139 clicks yesterday, which is totally fine. 26. Looks like I'm gonna get 26 later on. Anyway, that's how that works, right? But I'm totally fine with not getting sales, as you can see. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna move on to my lead gen sequence here. All right, we up here. I'm gonna refresh it, make sure it goes through well. On that, we already signed in here. Only using one account, by the way. We only using one account just to see how it does. Trying to decide on which. I'm looking for an email that I want to use here. I'll show you guys it if you taking money in my first week. But did I already do? Biggest day yet. So we're gonna go with this right here. I like this. All right, so we're gonna go in like that. As always, just working. We're gonna have a. Okay, I'm gonna slowly show y'all the email. Y'all can come up with your own emails. It's very easy to do. These are emails I personally wrote myself. So it's real simple. I can give them to you. I scroll down real slow so you can read the whole email. Guys, make sure y'all can see the whole thing here. You can kind of like change these numbers around if you want to. Like I put 150 here, 14. It don't really matter what the number is that much. And like I just put start making money today. Sincerely, Kiara Shelton, with my face, my picture of my face here. You don't need that. You could just leave. You could just type in your name if you want to. I just like to do that. I think it gives it more oomph. You know what I mean? So anyway, it lets them know they're not getting automated emails. More like there's a person behind the email. You know what I mean? When you show your picture. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and send that email right here. That's a pretty solid email. We're gonna check preview real quick. Make sure it works. It works. Okay. That's all it takes. All right, so I'm gonna send an email. Boom. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple to do. That's 4 minutes, guys. Very easy to do. You may take a little longer to write the email and stuff, because I already got emails in the system. It's not really, all I gotta do is click on one and post it. But you could just do the same thing. Other than that, it only takes about 3 or 4 minutes in the morning. Just knock that on out in your day, and you make money online. That's crazy to me that we at this point. And it's very easy and simple to do. All right, and you make sure that the reason that online all-in-one online business is just so malleable, because you can make, where is it, you can make about $120 per customer, $120 per month per customer. You can get up to that much. Not every person ain't gonna give you that much money, but some people will. Most people only give you about $20, but some people will give you $100 as well. I'm gonna be realistic with you. Not every single person is gonna pay you the $100, but there's potential for them to, because it helps them out. It helps them out in a way like this, right? I got everything in the system. Basically meaning I get paid for it whenever somebody under me buys everything in the system. So that's another reason why you should purchase everything if you can afford it. But some people in my system are already paying $100 a month, $120 a month. Some people in the system are already paying that for me. So get y'all going. And I'm already you see that? I'm already making money by paying that. I paid $125 and I paid the $25 per month. That means I can make $120 off each customer, potentially. So I'm slowly building up my money on this system here. And I'm slowly doing it just with my lead gen secret. Well, I started a TikTok yesterday, if y'all don't know, but it'll take a while for that to do anything. But anyway, guys, that's all I have to say here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description below. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.